Hey gang, welcome to Ski Play Live TV. Thanks for checking us out again. I am doing a little van upgrade maybe. When I first installed my solar on my van, I got 4 100-watt solar panels. It's been over a year and I found that I don't really need to use that extra solar panels. I had a setup where I had 2 stacked on top. I'm going to come around this way, and then 2 along the roof of my little mini camper. There's my friend Bryce. Say hi, Bryce.
Hi.
He's an electrician and a fellow actor, and he offered to help me out. And so I had 2 stacked on top, and it was on a slider, and you could pull the front one out if you needed it. But since my solar system is also hooked up to an alternator and my car battery, if I really need a quick charge, I can just turn on my van. But I will take this one off because it's been rattling. I don't know if it saves me any gas mileage, but it definitely rattles on long road trips, and I always am afraid that one day it's just gonna fly off and smack some other car and cause a giant pile up on the freeway. And so I'm just gonna save it, and if one of my solar panels cracks at some point, then I'll be able to put this back on. The biggest concern is making sure that when I unplug everything, that it still works. This is a whole Renogy kit. So you can see I didn't really have a rack. My little French metallurgist, who I thought was a mechanical engineer, kind of devised this getup so that I didn't have to buy a separate set of roof racks for the Transit Connect. They've worked so far. We got it off, yay! It was very easy. Everything is working. Panel is powering the battery. We're looking good. I hardly ever take a look under this panel, so I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning too while it's open. Thank you, Renogy, for creating such an easy system. All we did was unplug the panel, take it off, and plug it back in.